This is the elevator at the Historic Medical Arts Building in Knoxville, Tennessee. That's the freight elevator. Not the one we want. We'll get this one. Montgomery A Series. Mod. I wonder what these obviously were originally manually controlled, judging by the doors and everything, but looks like a tasteful mod probably with A Series. Anyways, we got this one. Going up. Oh wow, these used to be American elevators. Wow. Alright, let's go to 10. 10's locked. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 2. It's locked. Crap. Well, at least I got a peek inside of them. And there they go, and that will be it.